Hi guys, well, a lot of people are doing it and people have asked us if we're going to do it, we're going to do a vlog. This may be the first of many, or if people don't like it, it's the first and last. Anyway, we're just going to do a weekly vlog on what we've been doing, loads of RC stuff and 3D printing stuff we do in the course of an average week. So, let's crack on and show you what we've got to come at the moment. So guys, it's Bank Holiday Monday. We're actually usually racing on Monday, but not tonight. But yesterday we raced these off-road buggies associated at the East of England Regional. We won the C final quite comfortably. Should have been in the B. But anyway, what we're going to do now is on the wet car, this is the wet car, I'm just going to do a little quick strip down, check the wheel bearings. I think it's all okay because it wasn't particularly wet. But I do just want to do that just to make sure there's no problems with that. Okay, so we've done bearing check, that's all okay. The only thing we have found is our wing needs replacing. We've got a split in that, not a problem. And I did it in a previous video actually. We have actually rounded off the small bolts that are in there, so I'll just drill them out and put the slightly bigger ones in, which we have done with this car. Now the other thing I also want to do is these front bulkhead top link mounts. I've took 2mm off them. It's a mod that they do. Take 2mm off and it gives them more steering. You always then pack them back up like I have on that one, but I haven't done it on this wet car. So I'm going to have that off there now, and I'm going to show you how we do it. We do it super accurately, no bodging with files. Got a nice little tool to do that. Yeah, guys, what we've got one of these mini CNC router machines. We've just got it clamped in there, and I'm actually just going to do it manually. I'm just going to take 2mm off there, but I know this is flat, that's flat. It's going to be super accurate. It's much better than just doing with a file or a Dremel or something. That's what we've done on the other one, so we will just do that now. There we go, that is all machined down nicely. I've just left them up because I now need to put in spacers there to take it back to its stock setting, so I know where I'm at, which is going to be 2mm. That's that job done. So we now come on to, we're having a play about with the new XRT, and what we're looking to do is see what we did on the XMaxx. Needs damn good clean. The mud deflectors for the back. We're starting to mock some up for the XRT. That's going to take a little bit to do. So another project we're working on, have a look at it, hopefully, well, I don't know if it'll be today or not, is we are going to try and modify these deflectors for the front. If you see on the blue truck, we've had them already fitted. We don't like them very much. So we can just do these ones. This is just a mock-up in a horrible colour that I've got loads of filament of. So we are going to, obviously these will be filled in, but we're going to play about that design as well. And what I want to also get done today is just to fit our upgraded wing mount, which goes in there with obviously long bolts through there. Right guys, so one of the things on the list to do today is to upgrade the firmware on these speedos. Relatively simple job, as long as you don't turn anything off in the middle of it. Just use the app and you'll see here we have upgraded it to a higher firmware, which actually gives us a few extra options, one of the things being the increased drive frequency. Simple job, but that's now done on both of our off-road speedos. So guys, middle of the week, and we've been playing about with these wishbone protectors for the XRT. We've sort of got it sorted, I think they're nearly there anyway. A couple of little tweaks we need to do on it. We've also got these front deflectors, now sorted I think. Again, a couple of minor little tweaks, but that's nearly there. So they'll be on the eBay store soon. And we've fitted our upgraded wing mount. So that's what we've been doing on the XRT today. Still more to do. So guys, it's Friday. Oh, we ain't getting anywhere today. Look, the weather, I don't see out there. It's miserable, it's raining. We ain't getting this truck wet. But, postman's been. And the only upgrade I'm going to do on the XRT, or this is what I'm going to do today anyway, is a new spur and pinion. As we know, and it's only in there, easy enough fix to do. As we know, the standard ones are rubbish. And we have actually had on the previous track on our UDR, it broke a tooth off the pinion, jammed up and snapped the motor shaft. So we don't want that happening. What we're also doing, we're almost there, is the rear wishbone protector. That's not the actual one, but that gives you an idea what it's like. It's actually now printing on there. That is going to be the final version, I think. So we'll get that off later on today. Check fit that. Well guys, with RC nothing's ever straightforward, is it? So I've changed the spur. Now let's put the new pinion on. Bear in mind these came as a pair. It won't go on. It won't go on the same pitch. I don't know, you probably can't see it on camera, but it's actually, the one on the right is the teeth are slightly taller. So we're going to have to go back to the seller and see what's gone on. Also, there's no grub screws with it. That's crap, isn't it? So I don't know if I really want to do this, but I'm going to use the old pinion with the new spur, which means that is stronger than that. And I do want to get it running because I think we're going to run these probably tomorrow. So let's see what happens. So guys, we've now come on to one of my pet hates, truing tyres. Got all these, just need to tidy them up. What we find with these tyres, we use these on the 112th. The actual edges on them start to go, so we just put them on the truer and just tidy them up. It's a horrid job. Fortunately it is all automated, so it does do all automated, but we've got lots to do. Joy upon joy. Right guys, so it is Saturday and it's sort of dry enough for us. So we have XRTs and XMaxxes. See if we break anything. With the X-Maxx with the 1100 in. Is it going to work? Here we go. That is quite quick. I can't actually get full power on there. Here we go. Let's come back again, shall we? Not full power, not full power. Now full power. Very gentle on the brake. Hi guys, it's Sunday, so just summing up the week's vlog. The XRT, which we did take out yesterday, we've just got to fit the rest of, we're going to fit actually the dust protectors that go on the front. We've already got the wing protectors, which we tested yesterday. We did find an issue with our XMaxx. This tyre actually is ballooning and getting air stuck in it. And what we've found is it's actually started to come unglued there. So when it's starting to expand, it's sucking in the air and then it's keeping it. You might not have seen the video, or one of the videos, but it really curved over. So we just got to glue that. Whether we'll drill a hole and vent them, I'm not sure. Don't like doing that because obviously you've got a chance of getting water in there. And lastly, on the job list for today is the 3D print is actually silent at the moment. It's just finished printing the last. It's just come off the bed of the, that's the other dust protector for the for the XRT. But we're actually just going to give this just a little bit of TLC. We're going to give it a good clean and just tighten up the belts and pulleys and things and just check all the tolerances. So if you did like that vlog, then leave a comment. We may do more of these. This may be the first, it may be the last. We don't know. Don't know how popular it'll be, what the content's like. But let us know. Click on the subscribe button. Back again soon for either these type of videos, but we'll definitely be back more for the racing videos.